Hello everyone, my name is Odun Ayarinze. In this video, I'm going to be talking about something that is very vital in marriage, and many people might not really think it's worth it. And very quickly, I'm going to be talking to both parties, the man and the woman. You know, in marriage, there are responsibilities that are primarily for a woman, and there are responsibilities that are primarily for the man. Let's take for example, a man is expected to pay the school fees of the child they have or the children they have. Now, maybe for one reason or the other, anything can happen. We are not God. Anything can happen, and the man may not be able to pay the school fee as at when due. And I used to say something that an average woman is a merciful human being. And because the woman knows that if the school authority begins to send the children out, the shame that will come on the husband are going to share from it, and she has the money. What does she do? She goes ahead and pays the school fee, expecting that, well, when my husband has the money, he will refund me. Well, that might not really be like that in some cases, but most of the time that is the mind of a woman. Let me pay now that I have the money, and when my husband has the money, he can give it back to me. But whether the man is going to give back the money or not, the moment you get to know that your wife has paid the school fee of your child or your children, the next thing that you are supposed to do is to appreciate her. You can say, didn't you give birth to the children together? Yes, you did, but it's your primary assignment. Some women will not do. So if you have a wife that will do, you need to appreciate her. And let me tell you one secret: if you can just have, what is you can't spend 2 minutes appreciating her in words. You just let her know that, darling, I really appreciate the fact that you cover our shame in this aspect. Let me tell you, I'm a woman. She will love to do more without you asking her to do. Now, let me also talk about the men's side. If, for example, a man does what you as a woman supposed to do, let me use myself as an example. Most of the time I like using myself as an example. My own husband does help me, assist me with um um taking care of our baby when I'm busy. Maybe I'm in the kitchen, and this my baby is very wonderful. She might decide to just come and stay with me when I'm most busy. When my husband discovers that this is what this girl wants, he carries her and makes sure that she does not even look at my side till I'm through. Every now and then I make my husband understand that I really appreciate him in this aspect, because it's not every man that can even do it. I know what I'm talking about. So when he does that, I don't count it as one of his assignments in the house to do. So I appreciate him. I let him know that, man, I appreciate you for this particular thing. So for example, your wife, every woman expects that a man is going to supply the house. You give money to the woman, she goes to the market and get the stuff that you guys need, provision, toiletries and all that. And maybe for one reason or the other, she does it. Even if it is one bar soap that she buys and brings home, the moment you are able to recognize that fact, appreciate her. Thank you, I saw what you bought for us, and don't worry, I'm still going to I will spoil you with money, and mean it. Not that you are just giving her a fake promise. Let me tell you, the woman can go extra mile to do what you don't even expect. The same thing applicable to men. So what I'm saying is that when each party does something that he or she is not primarily expected to do, let him or her know that you recognize it and appreciate. It will definitely bring more to your table. That is something about life. Go and try it. If you have not been doing it, go and try it. If your husband does something that it is you that is supposed to do it, and he does it for you, go and appreciate him. You discover that he will do more for you. If you are a man and your wife does the same thing, appreciate her. You will see what you are going to get in return. I want to believe that somebody has gotten the key point in this particular video. Thank you very much, and have a good evening.